Hi, we're just having a look at HNR, which is Hannon's Reward. Okay, um, pretty interesting chart. Pretty much a signature. Okay, we've done our quadrants and our fibs down from the highs to the lows. Okay, and what we see here is in the past it's done a lot of price. Okay, and now it's done a lot of time. This is the Alamo, the last fib that we're talking about, and it's just touched it here, okay? And it's touched it again here, and it's just tried to go through it there, okay? So what I'd be thinking of it here, if it goes up here again, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, fourth time through is usually a Gann thing, is the way you'd sort of basically looking at it. Things to look at with this one over here is we've had this range in the past that it's done, okay, and there's a little bit of a blow off top in there, so I'm being conservative when I do this here, okay, and then we have a look here. It's repeated it again there, and it's repeated it again here, okay, so it likes that range, okay, so if we put it down here to basically break our point from that little fib level in there, that takes us up to this fib here, the 161 target, which is just around 45 cents. So we're looking at the moment it's around 25 and a half. It may drop back to 24, it may not. Is something to look at. But from there to 45 is a pretty good trade. And then it could even continue up and get into the 57s, and back at the midline here would be something to keep in the back of the brain. Not all that unlike the other charts that I do, UNX, RDS and co. Done a lot of time, would expect it to do some price. The thing that I do like about it is that, like UNX, it's got a perfect fib set. It's just come in and just touched the little top in here at the Alamo, and that throws our 161 perfectly up here, and it's a lovely set. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit now so you can see it a little bit better. What I've also done is this red line is just along these tops here. That will show you basically breakout point. Okay, there we go. Yeah, just in there, might even be a smidgen higher. Get rid of that damn thing. Smidgen higher. And you'd expect it to bounce off of that. Okay, so that's what I'd be looking at there. Okay, is if it that's if it doesn't open up and go up higher in the morning. These guys are doing a roadshow that starts tomorrow, Melbourne and Sydney. So and there's not a great deal of the stock. Our MAs have come in here perfectly, done a little golden cross in here. This is on the daily chart, and we're heading back up. Now, standard error band is heading back up with this one as well. So we're just going to have a look at the daily indicators, and we can see our MACD here is offering a perfect little buy scenario. Okay, and same with our DEMAs. Okay, that little off there, that might be a short exit, but it could also be a very short exit. We'll just see what it does tomorrow. If it goes up further tomorrow, that'll confirm this buy. Okay, so that's what I'd be looking at there. The interesting bit too is when we go and we look for some experts to give us some advice on this, we'll ask for the turtle again, because turtle's pretty good at picking stuff, and we attach that, and we'll just close that. And Turtle Trader buy signal detected, a new one. Okay, cool. That's very good. And there it is, right here today. So that was a nice pick, Turtle. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow if you're going to be right. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just quickly have a look at the weekly chart. Okay, and we're going to zoom right in on it. Okay, and what we can see here, Turtle's picked up a buy for the start of the week, but we can also see our 200 unit moving average, which is coming through here. It's not very far from the rest of these moving averages to do a golden cross on that 200 there. So that is, it's right on our breakout line. So, and it's broken above it. The stock price is above that breakout, above that 200. So if it stays above this, these will push up this week, okay, and cross through. So if it's not this week, next week could be a very big week for this stock, and fundamentally that would also go in with what's happening as far as the roadshow. So yeah, I'd probably be on my bike with this one and grab a few of these. I've got some. It's looking pretty good. Weekly indicators are still on the up. Scott's a little bit high. The DEMA is heading up. Now, as I said, tomorrow will tell us if this is a false sell. Okay, at the moment it's still been rated as a buy back down here and a buy here. Okay, so yeah, interesting one. So if it opens up and starts to do a little scoop, as soon as it breaks 29, it'll fly. Yeah, so very interesting little stock at the moment. I like the look of this fundamentally. The other thing is what they've got fundamentally is they've got a lot of land that butts right up to Western Areas, and Western Areas, that's a huge mine out there. And if you butt up to them, you're bound to find something, I'd say. So interesting little stock. Anyway, that's me. Okay, that was HNR. See ya.